Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to change boot logo on Windows 10 or 11. First thing, you need to open the start menu and type system information. Check the system information app, ensure that BIOS mode shows UEFI. If it shows legacy, you cannot change the boot logo. Now open settings, system, then recovery. Under advanced startup, click restart now. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then UEFI, Firmware Settings. Then click Restart. In BIOS, navigate to the Boot tab using arrow keys. Select Secure Boot and press Enter, then choose Disabled. Go to the Exit tab and select Save Changes and Reset. Now open Paint from the Start menu, create or open the image you want to use. Just click Resize Pixels, then set both horizontal and vertical to 200. Then save your file. Name it as splash.bmp and save it. Now go to the hack pgrt GitHub page. Download the zip file, extract the contents using unzip tool, then run the setup file. Press L to install, a notepad file will appear, close it. Paint will open automatically. Just click File, then Open. Go to this PC, EFI, then hack pgrt. Select your splash.bmp file, then click Open. Close Paint and hack pgrt. Then restart your PC to see the new boot logo. Now run hack pgrt setup again. If you want to remove the custom logo, press R to remove the logo. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.